It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude. But feel free to feel free. Did you find it? That moment to relax, the sun on your face, the release of tension in your jaw. Did you find what you needed, even if you wasn't searching for it? Send out a search for release, for relax, for calm, using the breath. Locate your relaxation by slowing things down and being careful not to miss one inhale or one exhale. Not to let not one moment pass without allowing yourself to be there, present, in the moment. Go ahead and relax your legs, your back. Breathe. Relax your face, your eyes. Breathe. And be there. A safe place, a calm space, a place of peace, right there in you. You found it. Inhale. And as always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace.